string. What is meant by f string? It's nothing but formatted string. Okay, in Python or convenient way to insert values to the text. Okay, this is a way we can insert values into text. Okay, what does it mean? Look at this an example where this is a text. Okay, this is a long text and I am going to insert value. For example, name and age. Okay, so this formatted string will help to insert values into text. Okay, just think as a template where you can put this as a placeholder. We can fill the value to this placeholder later. Yeah. Okay, the key features of f strings are it will always start with the letter f before opening up the quotation. Wait, I'll give an example. Okay, and then what we'll do now, we'll put the variables inside the curly braces. You guys know curly braces? Still now we have used this parenthesis, right? Now this is nothing but curly braces. Okay, curly braces. I will explain you that as an example. What Python will do now, what Python will do, it automatically replaces these placeholders with their actual values. Okay. For example, the name and age are stored in two variables that will be replaced by Python by the actual value stored in the variable. Yeah. So all you guys can will understand with an example. Okay. Okay. So how f string works? The f before the quotes. Look at now. Print f. Are you able to see the letter f? Yeah. And then you're using the quotes. Okay. For the text. And these two things, name with curly braces and age with curly braces are placeholders. Yeah. The inside of sentence, whenever you find a plug in a piece of information like name or number, you can put it inside a curly braces. So yes. So this name will come from any variable and age will come from any variable. Python will see if the f is there, then try to evaluate is there any placeholders is there or not, and then and you will find a value for the placeholders and then you will populate the value. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now let me give an example of that program. Okay, come on guys, listen. So here we have name as a variable and Joes as a value of the variable and age is a variable and 10 is stored here. Now I am passing in the same printf function, I am passing f. Okay, and I am saying hi, my name is, this is a placeholder. Okay, so the value will be populated in this placeholder and the age will be populated in this placeholder. This is not, it is very easy way of printing the variables so that the format will be preserved. Okay, you guys are getting in? You guys are able to understand?